Alright, so I just rinsed off all the soap and I put a little bit of conditioner on her, so I'm going to rinse it off. She's so heavy. Oh my god. If you didn't watch part 1, go watch it. It'll be in the description. And comment down below what you think I should name my Portuguese water dog. She's so cute. It's a girl. And I'm not sure what I should name her. So comment down below what you think I should. Look at how white she is now. Alright. Oh, okay. I just squeeze her out. This is so mean. I don't like squeezing the water out of my Webkinz. Oh, look how cute she looks. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, look how cute she is while she drips water onto the floor. Oh. Alright. Do. Wash it off. Dry it up, floor, dry it up, floor, dry it up. Alright, P. Oh, did she really just get soap back on her? What's that? I don't know. Something got her sweat. Okay. There's soap on her head still. Okay. Is that thing gone? Yeah. Doo-doo. 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 Right. I'm gonna have to squeeze her out again. I sit you down real quick. Alright. Now I gotta dry off my hands. Hold on. I'm drying off my hands. Wipe this thing off my phone. Oh, right. So I'm going to be using that towel, so... Oh my god, her paws still have a bunch of water in them. Hold on. I'm holding you with my chin. So if I drop you, I'll cry. Okay, I'm serious, I was holding you with my chin. That's probably why I was so loud. Alright. So, there she is. I'm probably going to wrap her up in a few more so she isn't cold. I know most of you are like, oh, she's just a stuffed animal. Well, no, she isn't. She's not just a stuffed animal. She's more than a stuffed animal. I'm kidding, I'm not crying. Alright. Whoa, that was a trash can. Trying to make a sneak kill attack on me. Alright. So there's the first one. Alright, I think that one might be good actually. So now, hopefully, you can see her. Can you? Hopefully you can. I'll do it back here just in case you can't. She's so soft. Alright. If you're like that and you couldn't see, here. Hopefully, now you can see me. And if it's even worse, then I'm sorry. Trying to help you, but okay. This is why I need the tripod. So there we go. She's gonna just sit in this blue one for the rest of the night until she dries. Alright. Whoa. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!